When you hear of Istanbul, what exactly comes to your mind? What's the first thing that just enters your head? For me, it's like the Bosphorus, the Yenichami, the ballads. These things are the things that just comes to your mind first. Meanwhile, there are other sides to Istanbul that a lot of people don't tend to tell you about. When I got there the first time, when I was in my hotel, I was like, where's a place that I can go to as a tourist to just, see the people, see things that are going on? And they told me, oh, there are places you can go, which are the places I just mentioned before, and the places you cannot go. Okay, so out of curiosity and fascination, I wanted to know those places that they're like, oh, you can't go there, you just cannot go because it's dangerous, because a lot of people might just steal your equipment or pockets and stuff that they're trying to avoid you from getting into. I was like, okay, what's the name of this place? And they told me. I was like, okay, I want to go see for myself. And getting there, I saw this very wide road. I'm like, okay, I'm really not understanding where any sort of danger is coming from, or any sort of danger is going to come from this kind of place. And I started walking the street. This is the video of me just walking down the street. Yeah, just hold on. As you can see me crossing the road there, I don't think I enjoy crossing the road like that. I'm not that kind of person. So I'm not the type. But the thing I noticed with these lights there, the traffic lights over there, seems like they just don't work. Especially the ones for the pedestrians to cross the street. It just doesn't seem to work. You can be there for like 30 minutes and it's still not. So I couldn't wait anymore. I had the experience before and I was like, okay, I'm not doing this time. Let me pop on the road, right? That's what I did. Pussycat, oh yeah. At this point, I had just taken a major turn into like a tiny street, and I'm like, okay, I think I'm gonna have to be sort of vigilant here. I was watching my bags, watching my side, just making sure I was safe, just doing the basics. And all I could see were beautiful cats and kittens. These are like everywhere, and I'm like, so see, I'm not saying places. I'm not saying you should go anywhere and just let your guard down, but sometimes I just feel like safety is in the mind of people, or sometimes what they just tell you or what the people say. You go to these areas during the daytime, it's lively. You see kids playing, or people want to play with you, jump on your body, play football with you and all that, and you call this place unsafe. Meanwhile, on the other side, where people literally don't even talk to you, everyone's just sort of minding the business. And it's confusing, and sometimes I just feel like it's some sort of your own inspection, perception. What you feel like is safe for you is safe for you. If you feel like it's not safe, that's all for you. But for me, I felt safer here than anywhere I've ever been in the world, basically. And it was just so beautiful. The streets, I saw people working, people doing their thing. So it's just nice. Just keep watching, and I want you to also use this opportunity to try to subscribe to my channel. It will do me a whole lot of good. You have no idea. Please, just do that. This is my first stop of my journey of traveling to every country basically in the world, and yeah, support my video by just sharing to your friends, liking and subscribing. That would do me a whole lot of good. Thank you so much. Just keep watching. I'll talk to you again soon. Yeah.